Well, for me, the most important thing is I've never been to Istanbul before, and it is fantastic. It's a place I've dreamed of in some ways, so that is amazing. And I'm also very interested in how many optimistic young people there are here. Young people are, of course, the future, and there are many parts of the world where you come to a conference and everybody's older. I'm very impressed with how many young people there are here, which is very wonderful to see. And it seems like a tremendously creative and open community here, and very interested in the future. In a way, I think one of the greatest gifts for Turkey is the fact that it has ambition, that it says, well, what can Turkey be? It's not tired. It's still trying to invent itself, and I love that feeling.